Can I use plain flour instead of all-purpose flour in my recipe?
Hello, baking enthusiasts. One question that comes up quite often when it comes to baking and cooking is, can I use plain flour instead of all-purpose flour in my recipe? Let's delve into this today and find out if we can swap these ingredients successfully. Remember, understanding your ingredients is key to a great outcome in the kitchen.
What is plain flour?
Plain flour, also known as cake flour in some parts of the world, is a fine-textured soft wheat flour with a lower protein content, usually around 8 to 10%. This low protein content makes it ideal for light, tender baked goods like cakes, pancakes, and pastries.
What is all-purpose flour?
All-purpose flour, on the other hand, is a versatile flour made from a blend of hard and soft wheat. It has a protein content between 10 to 12%, which makes it suitable for a wide range of recipes from breads to cookies to pies. It is literally made for all purposes, hence the name.
Can you substitute plain flour for all-purpose flour?
The answer is, generally, yes, you can substitute plain flour for all-purpose flour. But keep in mind, the texture and density of your final product may be different due to the difference in protein content. Lower protein means less gluten development, which can lead to a more tender, less chewy result. If you're making a delicate cake or pastry, plain flour might even be a better choice. But for breads or any recipes that need a strong gluten network, all-purpose flour would be more suitable. If you do need to substitute plain flour in a recipe that calls for all-purpose flour, consider adding a little bit more plain flour to help compensate for the lower protein content. To wrap it up, while you can substitute plain flour for all-purpose flour, the type of recipe you are using it for will determine if it's the best choice. So go ahead and experiment with your recipes, but remember to take note of the results to better understand your ingredients and their behavior. Happy baking, everyone!